Getting a roof done right means having someone who actually cares about quality, not just squeezing out every last dime. So, here's the thing. If you want a solid roof that lasts, you gotta have a project manager who isn't the roofer. This person keeps tabs on everything. How many materials get used, making sure the crew doesn't waste bundles of shingles, and that trash doesn't pile up everywhere. They're kinda like the watchdog, making sure the work is done clean and right. You don't want a roofer just rushing through to boost profits and then leaving you with a mess or a shaky roof. The project manager also checks that the roofing crew follows proper installation techniques so your roof can come with a legit 10-year labor warranty, real peace of mind. Plus, they keep an eye out so nothing goes missing, like materials walking off the job site. Having someone focused on quality control means you're less likely to get hit with unexpected repairs or costs down the road. Honestly, it's like having a buddy on site making sure your home gets treated right, not just another job. One of the biggest screw-ups people make when getting a new roof is trusting a company where the roofer is also the project manager. That's a recipe for cutting corners to save cash. Fix it by insisting on a separate project manager whose job is quality control. Another common mistake is not watching material usage. Crews can waste or steal supplies, which bumps up your bill. Having someone track inventory helps you avoid that. Lastly, folks often overlook cleanup and proper disposal of debris after roofing. It might seem small, but it really shows if the crew cares or not. A project manager who enforces cleanup means your yard isn't left looking like a disaster zone. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who actually care about doing things right. For contractors, it's a solid way to connect with people looking for quality work and build their reputation for real.